Hi friends, my name is Stanislav. Today we will talk about the limited edition Boettger model from the Spinnaker brand. But before I start, I want to get to know you a little and introduce myself, since this is my first video in English. For about 10 years, I have been selling watches in Ukraine. In recent years, we have been actively developing the direction of micro brands. I became an official dealer of Phibos brand, and we say in Ukraine Phoibos, but I heard in foreign country you say Phibos. Spinnaker brand, Ocean X brand, and Netans. Just recently, we agreed on cooperation with several Swiss micro brands, but we didn't even have time to place an order since on February 24th the war came to Ukraine. This is not easy time for us. Many businesses have closed, many people have lost their jobs. Therefore, like many, I have to get used to the new reality. I don't know English very well, and to be honest, I have to read a prepared text to a greater extent, but we'll definitely make it. Every watch that I will show you can buy in our line store full time at a great price. We deliver worldwide. I will leave a link to the store and our Instagram in the description of this video. I will also leave my mailbox so you can write any questions. I think that on this our short acquaintance can be completed and we can already talk about watches. The first thing we can see is the Spinnaker gift box. Let's unboxing it. Inside is a waterproof case. Looks nice enough. In the case itself you will find the watch and related documents, including a card with number of models. The Boettger model was released in 3 colors, and each with a circulation of 500 watches in the world. In the review, I will show more of the version on the orange strap, but I will be sure to briefly show each of the colors. We have a stainless steel case, very good quality, mostly satin finish. There are thin stripes of mirror polishing on the side faces, which makes the case expensive. I really like the unusual curve on the right side of case. It looks unusual. I like the black coated bezel. The bezel rotates 120 clicks. The bezel rotates very confidently. Clicks are expensive. There are no backlashes. The back cover is quite simple. I think that it would be possible to make an interesting engraving, but we have what we have. Let's look at the dimensions. Case diameter 42 millimeters from lug to lug, 43 millimeters, thickness almost 13 millimeters, and fairly comfortable weight 115 grams. I really like the rubber strap on this watch. I have had many watches in my hands, but this strap pleasantly surprised me. It is very soft and literally easily takes any shape you bend it into. You just need to feel it. I am unlikely to be able to convey these feelings to you on video. There are 2 lugs to adjust the length of strap and a good quality buckle. Let's talk about features. On board the watch are Japan's self-winding mechanism from Citizen, caliber Miyota 9015. This is the entry level of expensive mechanism and already a more serious mechanism that's an NH35A, which many micro brands put in their watches. The power reserve of the movement is 42 hours, there is a stop second and manual winding. The watch has a professional water resistance of 300 meters and crown is screwed down for better tightness of the case. Anti-reflection sapphire crystal and Swiss superluminova on the hands and our makers. Let's take a look and move on to the watch dial. The Spinnaker Boettger has a very unusual dial. It may immediately seem that the watch marks are glued to the glass, but this is not so. They are attached to the minute scale, but it really feels like they are hovering above the dial. It looks cool. Very beautiful deep black color of the dial, overlay logo, and what I like about micro brands is that even the date is made not in the basic white color, but in black, so as not to distract from dial. Black dial and silver bezel, probably the most versatile and familiar color. Nice red second hand. And I think this is most classic color. And a very beautiful version in deep blue dial, dark gray case and blue strap. This is probably my favorite flower. Let's see how the watch sits on my hand, 18 centimeters in girth. The watch looks great on a small hand. In my opinion, your arm should be at least 17 centimeters in girth. Otherwise, they will be too big. And last, classical black color. Look nice. In conclusion, I want to say that this watch is excellent quality, unusual design, excellent quality finish of the cases, cheek straps, excellent characteristics, a fairly rich set and nice bonus in the form of limited edition. In our store, this watch will cost you up to $500, depending on the ratio of the exchange rate of your country to our Ukrainian hryvnia. And this is a great price for a watch like this quality. I hope the video was helpful to you. I will leave links to the watch and our online store on Field Time below this video. Any questions, please email. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Your support is very important to me now, as I am starting almost from scratch. Thank you and see you. Bye.